It's a whole different learning environment than what we've designed in the past.
We chose to put our resources into this classroom because we think that it will serve a great deal of our student population.
Maybe it's not just a science room. Maybe it's an art room also. Maybe it's a computer lab. Maybe it's 5 things at once.
When your kids are engaged, learning happens and it's exciting.
Our kids are different today.
They are of the digital generation.
They're so used to so much information coming at them, texting, Facebook, that's how they learn.
Our task is to use that power that students bring with them, that knowledge, and make it productive within the school.
We're trying to bring the outdoor environment into the classroom rather than in the past. The attitude was always to try to keep the outside out because it distracted the students from learning. But it helps students to be aware of what's going on in the outside world and learn from that just on a daily basis.
The interactive classroom is going to provide a district with a healthy environment with green design. One of the key elements is displacement ventilation.
By bringing fresh air in at the floor level to start with, the cooler air naturally moves to the warmer objects in the room, and as it gets warmed, it rises to the ceiling and then is naturally exhausted. We're using clear-story lighting, bringing in light from above, and large openings to the north of the building to bring in indirect north light. We also are capturing rainwater for irrigating the garden. The students can actually monitor the energy savings, and the teachers can use that as part of the teaching program.
Technology is an aid in that effort. It's not the leader, it just enhances that experience.
You can go online and get anything and bring it into your classroom.
Once you give them that pen and get them up there and they know they got the right answer, now there's some confidence.
Students are digital natives. They start tapping things, they start trying things, they're all over it, and they figure it out like that. It's amazing.
Flexibility is the key. Districts are restricted in space.
We want this space to be able to respond to what we need, not have us do what the space dictates we can do.
Part of the way we were able to achieve the flexibility in the classroom is by using folding partitions. That allowed us to also look at each of those 3 areas as different zones.
We see the room being utilized all day long, but by a variety of teachers and student groups, as quiet study areas, as a place to do projects for collaborative work.
They need to be team players. And the one way you develop that is to put them in groups and give them tough things to think about.
The interactive classroom currently encompasses a menu of many things.
It's designed to provide a flexible learning environment which will be able to accommodate not only just current learning methods, but also future ones.
The interactive classroom is going to respond to things that we don't know about yet.
This is a design that we're proud of.
It's going to be a remarkable laboratory.
You can be budget conscious, you can scale it, you can phase it over time.
It definitely will make a difference in how your pupils learn.
We want them to be excited about their learning, because if they are, that passion is going to drive them. That's what we want, and that's what this does for them.